Running a giveaway or promotional campaign? QR codes can turn your giveaways into high-conversion, data-driven experiences. Want to drive traffic to your contest or promo page? Use the website QR to link directly to sign-up forms, product info, or your campaign landing page. Add it to packaging, posters, or promo items. Want to make your giveaway feel branded and immersive? Use a landing page QR to build a mobile-friendly page with campaign visuals, entry rules, and social links. No coding needed. Want to grow your following through giveaways? Use the social media QR to show all your accounts in one place: Instagram, TikTok, X, and more. Encourage people to follow as part of their entry. Want to include downloadable coupons, vouchers, or exclusive content? A file QR lets users download PDF vouchers or bonus materials instantly. Great for print giveaways or trade show swag. Running the giveaway through an app? Use the App Store QR to drive participants to download your app on iOS or Android. It automatically detects the device and redirects accordingly. From boosting signups to building your brand, QR Code Kit makes it easy to turn your giveaways into powerful marketing tools.